What if I told you that some of the most breathtaking wonders on Earth were not built by humans, but shaped by nature itself over millions of years? From massive waterfalls that shake the ground to glowing skies that dance at night, our planet is filled with natural creations so extraordinary that they feel almost unreal. Most people know their names, but very few understand how they were created, why they are so special, and what secrets they still hide. Today, you're not just watching a list, you're about to travel across the planet to explore the 7 natural wonders of the world, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at Earth the same way again. Earth's greatest creations explained like never before. Stay with me, because each wonder gets more incredible than the last. 7 natural wonders of the world. 1. The Grand Canyon, United States. The Grand Canyon is not just a giant hole in the ground, it is one of the greatest geological records on Earth. Stretching nearly 277 miles long and reaching depths of over a mile, the canyon was carved primarily by the Colorado River. What's incredible is that this river, which seems relatively small today, slowly cut through solid rock over millions of years. Each visible layer of rock represents a different chapter in Earth's history, some dating back nearly 2 billion years. Standing at the edge of the canyon is like looking back in time, witnessing how patience and persistence can create something truly monumental. The changing sunlight throughout the day paints the canyon in shades of red, orange, and gold, making no 2 moments look the same. 2. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure ever created on Earth, and it was built by tiny organisms called coral polyps. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, this underwater wonder is home to thousands of species, from vibrant fish to massive sea turtles. What makes it extraordinary is that every coral structure was formed slowly, layer by layer, over thousands of years. The reef acts as a natural barrier protecting coastlines from storms and supports one of the most complex ecosystems on the planet. It proves that even the smallest forms of life can shape the world in enormous ways. 3. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The harbor of Rio de Janeiro is often considered the most beautiful natural harbor in the world. Surrounded by towering granite mountains, tropical forests, and deep blue waters, the harbor was shaped by erosion and rising sea levels. The dramatic contrast between land and ocean creates breathtaking scenery, especially at sunrise and sunset. Iconic landmarks like Sugarloaf Mountain rise sharply from the water, making the harbor its unique character and one of the most photographed places on Earth. 4. Mount Everest, Nepal, China. Mount Everest is the highest point on Earth, standing at 8,848 meters above sea level. It was formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, a process that continues today, meaning Everest is still growing. Conditions at the summit are extreme, freezing temperatures, powerful winds, and thin air that makes breathing incredibly difficult. Even for experienced climbers, Everest represents one of the greatest challenges known to humanity, symbolizing both the power of nature and the limits of human ambition. 5. Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis is one of the most mysterious and beautiful phenomena in nature. These lights appear when particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field, releasing energy in the form of glowing waves across the night sky. Colors can include green, pink, purple, and even red. What makes the Northern Lights so special is their unpredictability. No 2 displays are ever the same. For centuries, cultures believed the lights were spirits, messages from the gods, or signs of great change. 6. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe.
Victoria Falls is one of the most powerful waterfalls on the planet. Known as the smoke that thunders, the falls stretch over 1.7 kilometers wide, with water crashing into a deep gorge below. The sound can be heard from miles away, and the mist rises so high it creates rainbows on sunny days. During peak flow, more than 500 million liters of water plunge over the edge every minute, making it one of the most dramatic displays of natural force on Earth. 7. Paricutin, Mexico. Paricutin is unlike any other natural wonder because its entire life cycle was observed by humans. In 1943, it erupted suddenly from a farmer's field and continued growing for years. Lava flows buried villages, while the volcano rose hundreds of meters high. Paricutin reminds us that the earth beneath our feet is alive and capable of sudden, dramatic change. The 7 natural wonders of the world are more than just beautiful places. They are proof that nature is the greatest artist, engineer, and architect of all time. They teach us about patience, power, balance, and transformation, and remind us that our planet is both breathtaking and fragile. If this video made you see Earth differently, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves discovering the world. Which natural wonder amazed you the most, and which one would you want to visit in your lifetime? Tell me in the comments.